Toronto, Peel move into COVID-19 lockdown Monday as Ontario tries to stop worst-case scenario. Toronto and Peel region are moving into lockdown effective midnight Monday as Ontario tries to curb a steep rise in COVID-19 cases, Premier Doug Ford announced Friday. The shutdown will last a minimum of 28 days, equal to 2 incubation periods for the coronavirus, and the province says it will fine people $750 for violating public health rules. 8 more people with COVID-19 have died, the province said Friday, bringing the official death toll to 3,451. So far this month, 315 people have died of COVID-19 in Ontario. Nearly 80% of cases reported in recent days are from regions in red zones, Ford said. Health officials and local politicians in Toronto and Peel have advocated and publicly supported additional, more far-reaching restrictions. On Friday, Markham Mayor Frank Scarpitti urged Toronto and Peel residents not to travel to York region to gather or for holiday shopping. However, the region is calling on the province to tighten red zone rules around shopping centres, which it says is needed now that nearby Toronto and Peel are in lockdown. Police and bylaw officers will increase enforcement in areas where overcrowding is an issue, such as malls, big box retailers, grocery stores and banquet halls, it said. The province has now seen more than 1 lakh confirmed cases of the illness since the first infection was reported in late January. Also on Friday, the province announced $600 million in relief for eligible businesses required to close or significantly reduce their services as a result of the new measures. Still, the Canadian Federation of Independent Businesses is concerned the lockdown will be devastating for small business owners in Toronto and Peel region and is calling on the government to develop a policy for small businesses to remain open with capacity limits. The number of cases for any particular region on a given day may differ from what is reported by the local public health unit, which often avoid lag times in the provincial system. The provincial government has said it hopes to expand capacity to 1 lakh tests per day by mid-December. Premier Doug Ford announced strict new restrictions for Toronto and Peel regions for the next 28 days in an attempt to slow the rise in cases and hospitalizations. Last week, public health officials said that is the threshold before other surgeries and procedures will likely need to be cancelled to accommodate COVID-19 patients. Meanwhile, the provincial government said Friday that public health orders currently in effect across Ontario will stay in place for at least another month. Solicitor General Sylvia Jones said extending the orders will ensure the province can address the health crisis and deliver critical services such as healthcare.